there's a very large need to develop custom parts. With the makerbot method, we were up and running in about 1 to 2 days, customizing all these different parts that we need.
A prototype robot part that you can touch says more than 1,000 words. The very nice thing about makerbot 3D printing is you make a quick change, print it again, and within a couple of hours you have the new part.
Makerbot doesn't cost you a lot, it saves you a lot of time. Compared to conventional manufacturing, we save not just days, but even weeks.
Having a makerbot method has enabled us to be able to meet the wide variations of parts that we have. In the case of the sander, if I wanted to machine this, the tool cost, time to program, and the time to set up the machine and run it, I'm looking at $3,000, $9,000. If I wanted to 3D print this with method, it'd cost us maybe $5 to $10.